I think before even hiring an architect, they have to hire interior designer. Mhm. And having a team, a designer, interior designer, architect, and contractor, and landscape designer, and lighting designer, when they're all on one team, that's the best way to do it. But if architect and interior designer are hired at the same time, I think it's a better way of doing and designing. I think interior designer, they give more advice on how the traffic flow is in the space and how they can move around, how to design the kitchen and the bathrooms. Usually architects, they think more of the outside of the building, and then they move in, and the interior designer designs the inside. I think what is important for a family, especially now, is the space they're living, is the kitchen and family room. They're getting away from like formal living room and dining room. They're like doing a great room, which they know that the family is going to stay there, so they really want it comfortable. And in California, I think one of the other things that is important to them is the outside, like how to move in the kitchen, from the kitchen in the backyard,
The indoor,
Make it
outdoor
all one
indoor
space.
outdoor feel. One of the things that's happening right now, and lighting is big, but a lot of people, they like, you know what, we want just something really simple and easy to turn on and off. But later on, they are going with more sophisticated. As soon as they start learning about it, okay, no, this is going to make my life easy. It's not that difficult to learn, so we're going to step it up and go to maybe automate window covering, or maybe you know, they upgrade in the middle of the project. But that's a good thing because it makes their life easy.
Yeah, when the home is over 5,000 square feet, it almost becomes necessary to automate the lighting.
That's true.
Because it's a mess otherwise. Yeah. People don't realize it. They get scared when you mention automation, but then with these big homes, you have 9 switches on the wall, and then you've got...
It turns on to one light.
Right.
Then you run down the hall and turn on
Right,
another one.
exactly. You're running around turning switches all the time, and the pool lights, and you don't want to... Somebody gets frightened at first, but then they realize.
They'll do it.
You don't want to try and talk them into it, but...
As architects, they are reluctant to work with interior designers. Sometimes they think we are against them. But some of them, they're so open, they just like, you know what? I want interior designer on my side. I can't work without it.